I have created baby toiletry in Walmart, and recently I have received the Walmart Welcome Baby box. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all what's inside this cute little Walmart Baby Welcome box. So stay tuned. Babies, welcome to ICAREBABY. Myself is Asif. I make videos related to parenting, pregnancy and baby care. If you are new to my channel, then definitely click subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Help ICAREBABY to reach out to 50,000 subscribers. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram. Well, how you can get your own free Walmart Welcome Baby box? Well, simply log into your Walmart account, or if you don't have one, then create the one. Then after logging in, just go to the registry option and create your own baby registry. Based on your inspiration, it will add items to your registry. You can customize your baby registry at any time, and you're all set. Now you can place your order for the free Walmart Welcome Baby box. And before that, make sure that you update a proper address there, and once you place the order, allow 4 to 6 weeks for shipping. Items in the welcome box may vary and depend on availability. Well, let's explore and see what's inside this cute little box. I really like this box. It has cute little owl which says knock knock, who's here? So once you open this box, it has a message: special delivery, a bundle of joy for you and your little one. Share your journey with Itsy Bitsy Walmart. So first item I see inside this box is it's a onesie from Carter's, 0 to 3 ages, and it's gray color, so it's always good to have gender neutral onesies, especially when you don't know the baby's gender, so it's good to have. The next item is, I hope I will pronounce it properly. It's a Nano Baby, some samples from Nano Baby. It has milk storage bags inside. Let's see. Yes, it has 3 milk storage bags on which you can write the name, volume and date and time. So it's always best to have milk storage bags. Then it has a cute little pacifier inside for a baby, and it has 2 nursing pads, disposable nursing pads. It's always good, especially in the first few months after delivery. The next item is from Drift. It's a laundry detergent from Drift, and it says it's stage 1 newborn, perfect for baby's first laundry. So it's always best to try such samples, and well, if you like it, then you can definitely buy it later on. So it says that it's a #1 choice of pediatrician, hypoallergenic, so it's good. I hope it is fragrance free, because I don't prefer the detergent which has fragrance or wipes or diapers which has fragrance. So it's best to use a fragrance free products for your baby. The next item is stretch mark lotion from Palmer's, and you'll definitely need it after the delivery. So it's best to try different samples, and then you can decide whether you like that product or not. So it says that Palmer cocoa butter formula with vitamin E massage lotion for stretch marks, and it has argan oil, shea butter, help reduce the appearance of stretch marks, free of mineral oil, parabens, and it is dermatologist approved, so it's always good to have sample. The next item is the disposable nursing pads and milk storage bags. 2 disposable nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags from Lancino. So it's always best to get such samples. as I've told you. The next one is wipes from Pampers, sensitive wipes, and it has 6 wipes inside, and which says that Pampers based gentle clean, perfume free, so that's always best, as I've told you. The next item is diapers from Pampers, pure protection diapers. It is size 2, which is good fit for the baby's weight from 12 to 18 lb, that is 5 to 8 kgs baby, and it has a 3 diapers inside, so I'll definitely try this one. It's a 0% chlorine, bleaching, fragrance, parabens, latex, and it is, so I'll definitely try this diaper, and if I like it, I'll definitely buy the same. The next item is from Desi Teen. It's paraben free diaper rash cream. It's a good size sample, and it's always best to have multiple diaper rash cream. So you can try different diaper rash cream if your baby is suffering from diaper rash. So it's best to have them, and if any one of them will work well for your baby, then you can definitely go for that product. So this is always best to have such samples. The next item is Aquaphor from Aquaphor. It's again the diaper rash cream, healing ointment, advanced therapy for dry, chapped or irritated skin protectant, preservative and fragrance free. So this is the sample from Aquaphor. If your baby is suffering from diaper rash, then definitely check my video on causes, symptoms and remedies for diaper rash. I have mentioned the link for the same in description box below. The next item is Avino Baby Daily Moisturizing Lotion. So again, the same sample. You will get multiple this sample in multiple packages once you receive the different baby registry box from, or the goodies from multiple places. So it's always best to get one. So it's a fragrance free, paraben free daily moisturizing lotion for baby. The next item is from Infamil. It is infant formula, a milk based powder with iron, infant gentle nutrition 0 to 12 months, non-GMO, easy to use, no scoop, no spill, no mess, contain milk and soy. So if you are planning for formula feeding, then it's always best to have such sample, and Infamil is a very popular sample in USA. So most of the parents use Infamil formula for formula feeding. So if you are not sure whether you want to, whether you will go for breastfeeding or formula feeding, then it's always best to try if you decide to go for formula feeding. So it's always best to have such samples. The next item is from Dr. Brown's. It's a bottle, milk bottle, anti-colic bottle, clinically proven to reduce the colic, spit up, burping and gas. Use with or without vent. So it's always best to have a milk bottle, or I'll say different milk bottles, because you never know which bottle your baby will prefer. So it's always best to have multiple milk bottle. And your partner or your family member can also feed your baby and can spend quality time with your baby. So it's always best to have a different milk bottle. So and it's a full size milk bottle, so it's very good size, so I really like it. The next is just a template from Palmer's for stretch mark. Then the next one is from Walmart Photo. It says that buy one same day 16 by 20 photo canvas, get 25 1 hour 4x6 prints. They have also given the promo code which you can use if you would like to print the baby photos in future. So it's always best to get such deals. The next one is coupon from Infamil. So you can simply scan the barcode and you can buy the one if you decide to formula feed your baby. The next one is a buying guide from Walmart. It's for stroller and car seat. So they have given information about the different stroller and car seat inside it. So it's always good if you are especially the first time parents and you don't know which option you should choose for. You should go for whether you should go for a jogging stroller or travel system or convertible car seat or booster car seat. Booster car seat, of course, you will need later on, not now. Once your baby will grow off the car seat, you will need a booster car seat. So it's always best to go through such guide and take more information about the different products. The last item is almost, this box is empty now. The last item, I have already opened it. So these are the cute little card set. It says 1 month old, 2 months old, 3 months old. So you can always use this cute little card for the baby's milestone, and you can use it to capture a cute picture. It has also a cute little message at the back. Say, I crawled today or I walked today. So it's always best to have such cards, and you can use it in your photographs and capture the milestone of your baby. So I think so that's it. And have you received the Walmart Welcome Baby box? If you are pregnant or if you already are a mother of a newborn, then what you have received inside that box, definitely let me know in the community tab section of my channel, or you can share that with me on my Facebook or my Instagram account. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Till then, ciao!